In a sunny kitchen, a curious family discovers that snacks can fuel heroes with color, energy, and smiles. Animated coaches guide them through choosing fruits, veggies, and whole grains, turning boring swaps into tasty adventures. Kids compare sugar amounts, learn quick kitchen skills, and team up with parents to craft colorful, crunchy snacks. Each episode showcases a science moment about nutrition, a tiny recipe, and a family challenge that ends with applause. By the end, parents feel confident and kids feel proud as everyone discovers healthier choices can also taste amazing.